Hi kids. How are you all? Let's play a quiz game on names of fruits. So let's start. What is the name of this fruit? Yes, it's blackberry. Name this fruit. You are right, it's orange. What's the name of this fruit? Correct, it's avocado. Do you know the name of this fruit? Yeah, it's blueberry. Name this healthy fruit. Superb, it's grapefruit. Do you know the name of this tasty fruit? Correct, it's dragon fruit. Name this yummy fruit. Yeah, it's our favorite mango. Can you name this fruit? You are right, it's cantaloupe. Do you know the name of this fruit? Yes, Caesar grapes. Name this fruit. Yeah, it's kiwi. Do you know the name of this fruit? You are right, it's melon. Name this delicious fruit. Superb, it's apricot. Can you name this fruit? Yes, it's guava. You must have seen this fruit on cakes. Name this fruit. Yeah, it's cherry. Do you know the name of this tasty fruit? Correct, it's tangerine. Do you know the name of this fruit? You are right, it's pomegranate. Name this fruit. Yeah, it's honeydew. Can you name this fruit? Correct, it's papaya. Do you know the name of this fruit? Yeah, it's fig. Can you name this fruit? Superb, it's a jackfruit. You must know the name of this fruit. What's its name? Yeah, it's banana. Name this fruit. Right, it's plum. Can you name this fruit? Yes, it's strawberry. Can you name this watery fruit? Correct, it's watermelon. Do you know the name of this fruit? Correct, it's pineapple. Name this fruit. Yeah, it's peach. Do you know the name of this fruit? Correct, it's raspberry. Name this fruit. Correct, it's an apple. Name this fruit. Right, it's pear. Can you name this fruit? Yeah, it's lychee. Superb, kids. You all played very well. Hope you enjoyed the game. Thank you for watching. See you again.